You don't need a primer. You literally rough it up slightly and you wash it just with soap and water and let it dry. The best jobs are approximately 3 coats, and that's it. I mean, you end up, and the first coat with his product, the first coat you always want to brush it on, because that works it into the, right into the surface. Number one, you now have a completely one-piece sealed unit on the roof. Every single thing, realizing that you still have an air conditioner, and each year you're going to snug that gasket down. But other than that, that's it. You come over the sides and everything down to your transition moldings, your front and crown seams, front and rear, and it is literally maintenance free. You don't have to apply any kind of a UV treatment. You don't even have to wash it if you don't want to, but most people will at least wash it at least once a year. It's white. It's going to reflect heat, so it's going to be cooler on the inside. It will help with your air conditioning. Sound deadening is another issue. And what I also liked about the product is it could be applied to any of the substructures that are used in our industry, right from the old galvanized through to steel, through to aluminum, sectioned aluminum, EPDM, TPO, the CPVC vinyl plastics, wood, and which is very attractive to a lot of people when they're doing issues. If you have a leakage issue in the roof area of any kind of a recreational vehicle that you have, Rexoseal would be a product that you should seriously consider. Talk to a dealer who uses it, and or talk to Anthony or look online. If it's something that you feel you could do yourself, you with this product, you're able to do it. And you will end up with a one-piece sealed rubber membrane covering all cuts in your RV with a top quality product that either you as a good handyman would be able to do, or a shop would be able to do, or a mobile service person in your area if you're too remote from a shop. So you're going to cut down on your future costs for caulking maintenance, keeping your unit cooler, keeping it more quiet, things like rain, pine cones dropping. Well, pine cones like a baseball on your roof, you're going to hear it anyway. But things like rain, it's going to, it's a peace of mind. Big part of it's going to be peace of mind.